Hey, we're here at freaking what's it called? Josh, what's it called? Freaking what's it called? Oh yeah, it's by Mount Pearl City Hall. St. John's Newfoundland Labrador. As you can see, is missing right now. We got freaking lightning now. We're scared crap. And yeah, we're just chilling here where we're all nice and dry. Supposed to be sleeping in tent tonight. Oh look, rain's dying off. Here, rain's dying off. Josh, there's Rosie O'Grady's pub over there. It's an Irish pub. Not very many people there tonight. It seems like a dead thing. So yeah, we're just chilling here. We thought we'd let you guys know. Yep. Yeah, really nothing to do. Josh, you got anything to add on to this video?
No.
Well, subscribe to iPedalo1. iPedalo1 actually. And Josh JRE.
Josh RE, and all in caps, space in between Josh and RE.
And iPedalo1, just iPedalo1. That's a 0, not the O as in writing. And yeah, you go on channels, you'll find me. I'm the gayest channel. I have no profile picture, but anyways, gotta go.